Hey, what's up everybody? Dr. Mike here. I'm excited to talk to you today about something that's incredibly important, but often overlooked, our eyesight. Have you ever noticed that your vision isn't as sharp as it used to be? Maybe you're finding it harder to read small print or see things clearly at a distance. You're constantly squinting at your phone or reaching for your glasses. It can be frustrating, right? Especially in this digital age where we're glued to screens all day. Listen, I get it. We rely so much on our eyesight, and it's totally normal to want to protect and improve it. Our eyes are our windows to the world, and keeping them healthy is crucial. Today I'm going to share 5 natural ways you can help improve your eyesight without needing to rely on glasses or contacts. These methods are simple, effective, and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. First up, let's talk about diet. Eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals is essential for eye health. Foods like carrots, leafy greens, and citrus fruits are packed with nutrients that can help maintain good vision. You might also consider taking supplements like omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to support eye health. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Another great way to improve your eyesight is through eye exercises. Simple exercises like focusing on a distant object and then a close one can help strengthen your eye muscles and improve focus. Don't forget about protecting your eyes from harmful UV rays. Wearing sunglasses when you're outside can prevent damage from the sun and keep your eyes healthy. It's also important to give your eyes a break, especially if you spend a lot of time in front of screens. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. Remember, it's important to consult with your doctor or ophthalmologist before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Especially if you have any underlying health conditions, they can provide personalized advice based on your specific needs. All right, let's jump right in. These natural remedies are easy to implement and can make a big difference in your eye health. So let's get started on the path to better vision together. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns, guys. This humble plant has been used for centuries for its healing properties, and it's time we give it the spotlight it deserves. This stuff is like a superhero for your eyes. Imagine having a natural remedy that can soothe, protect, and rejuvenate the delicate skin around your eyes. It's packed with vitamins like A, C, and E, which are antioxidants that help protect your eyes from damage. These vitamins are essential for maintaining healthy skin and vision. See, those antioxidants, they fight off nasty free radicals that can mess with your cells and lead to vision problems. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to premature aging and other health issues. Aloe vera also has something called aloe, which has shown some promising anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce swelling and redness, making it perfect for tired, puffy eyes. Now, how do you use this magic potion? It's simpler than you might think. Well, you can actually find pure aloe vera gel at most health food stores. It's widely available and affordable, making it an accessible option for everyone. Just make sure it's 100% pure, no additives. Additives can sometimes cause irritation or reduce the effectiveness of the aloe vera. You can apply a small amount, like a drop or two, to your eyelids and gently massage it into the skin around your eyes. This gentle massage can help improve circulation and enhance the absorption of the gel. It can feel super soothing, especially after staring at a computer screen all day. The cooling sensation of the gel can provide immediate relief from eye strain and fatigue. But remember guys, never ever put aloe vera directly into your eyes. It's meant for external use only. It can cause irritation and even damage. Always be cautious and follow the recommended usage guidelines. Stick to the skin around your eyes and you'll be golden. With regular use, you'll notice the skin around your eyes looking healthier, more nourished and revitalized. Aloe vera is truly a powerhouse when it comes to natural skincare. So next time you see an aloe vera plant, remember all the amazing benefits it holds. It's not just a plant, it's a natural remedy that can enhance your skincare routine and improve your overall eye health. Embrace the power of aloe vera and give your eyes the care they deserve. Your eyes are one of the most important parts of your body, and they deserve to be treated with the best nature has to offer. And don't stop at your eyes. Aloe vera gel can be used on other parts of your body too. It's great for soothing sunburns, moisturizing dry skin, and even treating minor cuts and abrasions. Incorporate aloe vera into your daily skincare routine and experience the multitude of benefits it offers. From head to toe, aloe vera can be your go-to natural remedy for a variety of skin concerns. So go ahead, give aloe vera a try and see the difference it can make. Your skin will thank you and your eyes will feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Aloe vera truly is a powerhouse in the world of natural skincare. Okay, let's talk about Ginkgo biloba. This ancient tree, often referred to as a living fossil, has been around for millions of years. Its leaves have been used in traditional medicine for centuries, particularly in China, where it was believed to have numerous health benefits. You might have heard of it as a memory booster, and it's true, it's great for cognitive function. Ginkgo biloba is often praised for its ability to enhance memory and sharpen mental clarity. Many people take it to help with concentration and to combat the effects of aging on the brain, but did you know it's also beneficial for your eyes? Yes, that's right. Ginkgo biloba isn't just for your brain, it can play a significant role in maintaining eye health as well. Ginkgo biloba is known to increase blood flow, including to the eyes. This is crucial because our eyes rely on a steady supply of blood to function properly. Enhanced blood flow means that more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the eye tissues. This improved circulation can help deliver essential nutrients and oxygen to the delicate tissues in your eyes, keeping them healthy and functioning properly. When your eyes receive the nutrients they need, they are better equipped to handle the daily strain and stress we put them through. Some studies even suggest that Ginkgo biloba can help protect against age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. Age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, affects the central part of the retina and can severely impact your ability to see fine details. It's thought to do this by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the retina. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to cell damage. Ginkgo biloba's antioxidant properties help neutralize these free radicals, protecting the retinal cells. Now, Ginkgo biloba usually comes in supplement form, either capsules or tablets. These supplements are widely available and can be found in most health food stores and pharmacies. They are a convenient way to incorporate the benefits of Ginkgo biloba into your daily routine. It's important to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement to make sure it's right for you and to determine the appropriate dosage. Your doctor can provide personalized advice based on your health history and current medications, ensuring that Ginkgo biloba is a safe and effective addition to your wellness regimen. Remember, while supplements can be beneficial, they should complement a healthy lifestyle, not replace it. Chapter 3. Sip your way to better vision with green tea. Let's be real, who doesn't love a good cup of green tea? It's refreshing, it's packed with antioxidants, and it's good for your eyes. Green tea contains these powerful antioxidants called catechins, particularly one called EGCG, which has been shown to have some amazing protective effects on eye health. Studies have found that EGCG can help protect the retina from damage caused by UV light and oxidative stress. It can also help reduce the risk of developing cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. So how much green tea should you be drinking? Well, most experts recommend around 2 to 3 cups per day to reap the health benefits. But hey, if you're a green tea fanatic like me, feel free to indulge in an extra cup or two. Chapter 4. Bilberries, tiny berries, big benefits. These little berries pack a powerful punch when it comes to eye health. Bilberries are rich in anthocyanins, which are potent antioxidants that give them their vibrant blue-purple color. Anthocyanins are known to improve blood circulation to the eyes and strengthen blood vessels in the retina. This is super important for maintaining good vision, especially as we age. Bilberries are also thought to improve night vision and reduce eye fatigue. Some people even use them to help relieve dry eyes and eye strain caused by staring at digital screens for long periods. You can find bilberries fresh, frozen, or in supplement form. If you're taking a supplement, make sure it's from a reputable brand and follow the recommended dosage. Chapter 5. Almonds, a visionary snack. Almonds are not only a delicious and satisfying snack, but they're also incredibly good for your eyes. These little nuts are packed with vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. One of the leading causes of age-related vision loss is something called macular degeneration. Vitamin E has been shown to potentially slow the progression of this condition, which is pretty amazing. Almonds are also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining the health of cell membranes, including those in your eyes. Omega-3s can also help reduce dry eye symptoms and improve overall eye health. So, next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for a handful of almonds. Your eyes will thank you. So there you have it, 5 natural ways to potentially improve your eyesight. Remember, these tips are meant to complement, not replace, professional eye care. Make sure you're scheduling regular eye exams with your doctor, especially if you have any concerns about your vision. Early detection and treatment of eye conditions are crucial for maintaining good eye health. Take care of your eyes, guys. They're precious, and we want to keep them healthy and functioning at their best for years to come. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.